And what's up, guys? I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to talk about crops you can grow easily if you're starting to garden or whatnot. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you for liking them. Thank you for sharing them. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me. You guys are amazing. I'm sending you guys amazing energy, and we're going to keep it up all throughout 2019. First, one of the easiest crops you can grow is lettuce. Lettuce can be grown both indoors and outdoors. It can be grown all year, but it should be shaded in hot weather, and you should plant it in like small increments if you're doing it in hot weather. Next is peas. Peas can be easily grown in the spring. Yeah, you can start at the beginning of the spring and peas will grow. Then next, radishes. The harvesting of radishes can take place as little as 24 hours after being planted. Also, radishes can be kept fresh in the fridge, and you can plant them as early as spring. Next is turnips. Turnips can be harvested very rapidly, even in small areas. So that's a real good plant. A really good crop you can grow if you want food to be grown at a certain rate. You want something to eat at a certain rate, you can harvest turnips. Next is beans. Snap beans can be harvested fast in cold climates. Southern peas, lima beans, and asparagus peas can be grown fast in hot climates. So if you want to have these different beans planted, make sure you plant snap beans in the wintertime, and use plant southern peas, lima beans, and asparagus in warm, hot summer, springtime, you know. And last, what I have for is sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes can be harvested rapidly in warm weather and can be kept fresh for months in room temperature. Yeah, that's all the crops I have for today. Thank you guys for listening. I'm just gonna talk for a bit. It's amazing to be able to record in front of you guys, not in front of you guys, for you guys, and talk about things like that could benefit us. You know, gardening is essential. It connects us to nature. You can have our own food grown, especially want to be on that life where you can grow your own food and not have to worry about buying fruits and vegetables from the store if you're worried about different pesticides on your fruits and vegetables. And I haven't really been gardening, but I'm gonna get into it when I go back to school and stuff. There's a community garden where I work at the community center. I'm getting involved with that maybe in the spring, like when it starts getting like warm. But I'm gonna ask about it when I go back to the place I worked at. You know, it's important to garden. It helps us feel better. It's therapeutic. Again, it allows us to live healthy, eating the fruits and vegetables that are fresh as soon as we grow and harvest them. You know, planting the seeds and eating the fruits at a later time, because we won't eat the fruits as soon as we plant the seeds. That's a good life lesson for if you want to achieve your goals or anything. No, it's very important to garden, and I'm going to end it right here. Thank you for listening. I'm sending you guys amazing energy. You guys are amazing people, and I'll be on to the next video. Thank you guys for listening.